Hey everybody, it's Mr. Jones. I hope you enjoyed the first 2 days of school. I know there's been a lot of confusion with some of the science assignments that we've given you. So I'm going to do a quick couple videos today to help explain some of those things. So I'm going to start with the 10 card arrangement, then I'm going to go to the farmer riddle, and then I'll end with the ropes problem. Now I'm not going to give you the answers. I'm just going to walk you through some of the first steps to hopefully make it a little more clear so that you can discover these answers yourself. So let's start with the 10 card arrangement. To begin with, you are asked to get 3x5 cards. I didn't have 3x5 cards, so I just used paper. That's fine. I cut them all in equal sizes and I numbered them, as they said, from 1 to 10. So let's check this out. We're gonna go through step by step the instructions, and I'm gonna try to show you how to do this or how to go through the steps to come up with your final answer. Let's check it out. When I went to solve this myself, I laid my cards out like this. I know if 1 is going to be the first card I turn over and I have to skip the next card to get to 2, what I started to do was I just went this way. I went 1, 10, 2, 9, 3, 8, 4, 7, 5, 6. I just tried to organize them in a way so that when I stack these up, at least my first part of the pattern comes out the way I want. So if I stack them like this, where the 1 is on the top of the deck, I can turn over the 1. That works. If I take the next card, put it to the bottom of the deck and turn it over, I've got a 2. If I take the next card, so on and so forth, I keep going. It works out really well until I get to the upper numbers, because then here's my next card. I turn it over, it's a 10. Then I do it again and I've got an 8 and again. So I know that that first pattern does not work, because obviously 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 8, 6, 7, 9 does not work. So it is a process of elimination, just like science. We have to keep trying and trying on different arrangements until we get the numbers that we want. It doesn't happen immediately, and it shouldn't, because we want our brains to start thinking critically and start trying to figure out some problems. So you know that 1 is going to be your first card. It's always going to be on the top of the pile. You know that you're going to skip a card and go to 2, and you're going to skip a card and go to 3, skip a card and go to 4, and you're going to keep doing that. The goal is to get it so that when you arrange your cards, they come out the way in which the instructions say. I'm not going to show you the answer, but I am going to show you that it is possible. So it took me about 10 tries to figure out this pattern, and I'm an adult and I'm the teacher. So if it takes you 10 tries, if it takes you 5 tries, if it takes you 50 tries, it doesn't matter as long as you get to the correct answer in the end. So let's check it out. I got 1, skip a card, 2, skip a card, 3, skip, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then obviously my final card is a 10. So you can see that they can be organized in the way that the instructions request. Your first card turned over is a 1, the second card's put under the pile, 2, put another card under the pile, 3, 4, 5, so on until you get this. Hopefully this gives you a little bit more instruction. You see that it's possible, and now try and try again until you can get this pattern. Once you've figured it out, the easiest way to share that is to simply email or send over your numbers, how you did it in order. 1, what was your next number? 2, what was your next number? Hopefully this helps, guys, and let's check out the farmer riddle next.